Hello students, welcome to Abhyaas IIM Prep. Today we are going to see how to fill BMSAT application form. I hope you know what is BMSAT. It is IIM Kozhikode's undergraduate program test. Okay, so let's start filling this. So in the this is the website IIM Kozhikode. If you type BMSAT, then directly it will redirect to this page. And in this, you have to click on apply online. Then you will go to the registration page. Here first you have to register yourself. Your registered mobile number, mail ID has to be given here. So name of the candidate, let's write it as Abhyaas. Date of birth, email address. Email address has to be right because they are going to send an OTP to verify this also. So please make sure that your email ID is right and it is with you right now. Country India, mobile number, it has to be with you again because they are sending 2 OTPs to you now. So let's re-verify this. So you have to give your name. It has to be exactly same as that of your 10th or SSC certificate. And date of birth, email address, confirming your email address and mobile number. So when we click on generate OTP, we have to fill this CAPTCHA. And now 2 OTPs will be sent to your respective mobile number and email ID. So please check that. Validate OTP. And now for email ID. Validate OTP. So yes, both of them have been verified. Now again click on this 317869. Click on I agree and confirm it. And before confirming it again, they will give you to check, re-verify that. So check your name, date of birth, email address, country, mobile number. Click on verifying button. Then only you can submit this. Now the actual application process will start. So click on go to application. You can verify this again. This is the information that you have provided to them. So click on go to application. The application procedure of Rohtak, Indore and BMSAT differ in small ways, like here you have to give your personal statement which is different from Indore and Rohtak. So yeah, remaining all things are more or less same. So let's fill this one. Father's name, candidate's middle name, candidate's last name. They are just optional. You can leave them also. Okay, mother's name, guardian name is given, date of birth is already there, candidate's gender, nationality, category, general. As I always say, when you click on SC, ST or OBC or EWS, you should need another certification to upload it. So for general category students, there is no requirement for that. And if you belong to person with disabilities, please click on yes. Valid address. Line 2 and line 3 are not necessary. Country India, Union Territory, district. Okay. Okay, email address is given. Alternative email address is not necessary here, so you can leave it. If you have one, please give it. Is permanent address same as correspondent address? Click on yes if it is same. If it is not, give your residence address. Emergency mobile number is very important. I think it should not be same. Let's try it. Okay, so let's now upload our photo and make sure that you have an image of size more than 50 KB and up till 1 MB. So it has been uploaded. Next, your size, and the size limit is 10 to 80 KB. Let's see the signature. Yep. And JPG formats only will be accepted, so make sure that you have that formats. Okay, please don't different. So emergency mobile number should be different. Let's give it some other thing. Okay. We have to view the photograph once again after uploading it, then only it will be accepted. Okay, save and next. Data saved successfully. Now going to your academics, qualifying examination, SSC 10th equivalent board, month of year completion. Maximum marks, so let's make it 600. Total marks obtained, aggregate percentage 90.6. Let's make it a double digit, 60. Have you completed your HSC 12th examination? If yes, keep it yes. If no, if you're still pursuing it, keep it no. No other academic qualifications. Fellow Institute of Actuaries of India. If it is yes, yeah. If you possess this professional qualifications, please click on yes. If you are pursuing CA, CSI, ICWA, please make it yes. Okay, please select SS board. Board, yes. Okay. Next, extracurricular activities. These are not necessary as of such, but if you have anything that to be notified to the interviewers, then you can do this. For example, if you have good sports certificates, please click on this and write those things. For example, district champion. Yes. And any clubs and societies, if you are part of that in your college level or school level, please click on that and notify that. Okay, save and next. And even if you leave that, that's not a problem. But coming to this one, you have to answer these personal statements. What are this? Why I am interested in IIM Cozicode's BMS program. You have to write an essay of 500 to 600 words, which consists of why you are choosing that program. So you can explain your a need to go into that program. For example, I'm just giving some examples. If you are interested in this management studies, why you are interested in management? Why only IIM Kozhikode? Give its ranking, give its new way of curriculum, which is different from IPMAT, and other details which you are interested about this college and program. Then write about this and how you are aligned to that program. Next, second question is personal and professional goals, and why where you are seeing yourself in short term and long term things. Like in short term, maybe you could have a job, you could have a great paying job, and in the long term you could start your own company and write all those things, your idea, your wish and everything. You can write this, but make it a little bit professional. And you can use AI, because this is an AI generation. You can use that, even they know about that, so you can use AI, but make sure that after generating it from AI, it has to be of your own words. Okay, write like that, so it will be looking natural. So yes, I have to write it 500 to 600 words, then only I think it will be taking that thing. Present a YM medicines program, so I have to generate some 500 600 words. Let's make it I like it. Okay, so yes, even if you have a less word limit also, it is accepting it. That's what we have checked right now. So but make sure that your essay or your answer is between 500 to 600 words. Okay. Next, exam city preference. 5 cities has to be different. Yes. And next, interview city also, it has to be 6. Most probably option 1 will be your preferred, examination city. Oh, different percentage city. Okay, I have selected the same. Hyderabad. Next. Declaration. So now you can go to online payment and have previewed the application form by filling up this thing, and click on this one, CAPTCHA. Yes. Now after submitting it, you can go to the payment option. In this way you have to fill this. The only way it is different from IPMAT Indore and IPMAT Rohtak is filling up the personal statement. Okay, it has to be very necessary in extracurricular activities too. Okay, in Rohtak it is in academics they are asking very detailedly how many marks that you are scoring in different subjects. In this one they are asking extracurricular activities, which is not necessary, but filling up personal statement is very much necessary in BMSAT examination application. So I hope you know the application last date, that is April 15th of 2026, and the examination date is on May 19th 2026. Now there are many notifications that are coming soon, so we are going to update you on that also. So please click on subscribe and don't miss any notification from us. Thank you.